Replacement media for the Fluval C3 Power Filter. Performs the first and second stages of mechanical filtration. Filters out debris. Creates a healthy and clean aquatic environment. The Fluval C3 Poly Foam Pad Replacement Media, 3-pack, has two sides that combine to provide thorough and effective mechanical filtration. The Fluval C3 Poly Foam captures large particles of debris on its porous foam side, while the polyester side filters out finer debris and contaminants. The Poly Foam Pad Replacement Media helps bring your fish a healthy and clean environment. The Fluval C3 Poly Foam Pad was made specifically for the Fluval C3 Power Filter. Top reviews from the United States. Because of the nice add-on pricing, I decided to try out these instead my usual buy of loose carbon that I then stuff media bags myself for the in-tank media rack in my BioCube. I had read on some website that AquaClear Fluval activated carbon was some of the best on the market, and so far, I have to say I agree with those claims. My water is clearer than it has ever been with the loose carbons I've bought. Obviously this pre-packed stuff is more convenient than stuffing your own bags, and the price flat out can't be beat so long as this remains an add-on item. If you have a smaller system that you can fit one of these packs into, I'd highly recommend this brand of carbon. Seeing how completely crystal clear the water in my tank is now, I didn't realize how not crystal clear it was until using this carbon. I will continue to use this brand exclusively.